Hello students. Today we want to discuss functional English. Functional English is usually taught to all BS level students, especially engineering classes, pharmacy classes, they study functional English. And this functional English is also beneficial for other students because it covers all parts of speech and it builds the foundation of grammar. Secondly, it also teaches basics of composing. It teaches sentence types, simple, compound, complex, active voice, passive voice, direct, indirect, and all parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, interjection. So, functional English is builds the foundation of English language. Why are functional skills needed? Employers and educators have identified these skills as vital for enabling young people and adults to have the practical skills to succeed in further learning, employment, and life in modern city. So it helps you to learn other things. For example, it prepares you for extensive reading. It prepares students for job, and it is also required in life because in life we communicate, we share our ideas with others. So functional skills are very essential in professional life, in personal life, as well as in academic life. What's the meaning of functional? Learning through application, use of learning in practical life. Learner-centered approaches are used. That all approaches are applied on learners, and learners are made to learn new skills and language items. Functional English emphasizes on active learning and it solves linguistic problems. It also emphasizes on partnership learning, teamwork, collaborative learning, and assessment for learning. Functional English definitions. Different words perform different functions. English language is very interesting that the word is same, grapheme is same, spellings are same, but it performs different functions. Some words can perform different functions on different occasions. For example, the word present. The present situation is alarming. Here present is adjective. I bought a present for my friend. Here present is noun. Change sentence from present to past. Here semantic shade is different and grammatically it is also noun. Prime Minister will present the prizes. Here it is verb. So look at grapheme. Grapheme means spellings. Orthographic patterns are same. Present, present. Meanings are different in these four situations, and parts of speech are also different. If somebody asks you, just answer me that what is the part of speech of present? Don't answer it. Ask the person to use it in a sentence. When that word is functional, I would be better able to answer the question. Ingredients of functional English would be vocabulary items, language skills, listening, speaking, reading, writing. These are the four basic language skills. Applications of all language entities in the professional life. Functional grammar. Functional grammar to use a language. What is functional grammar? To use a language, to do different things with language, because language performs different functions and asks people to do different acts for you, to make meanings, to derive meanings from the discourse, from the conversation, to get attention to their problems and interest, to influence their friends. A grammar which puts together the patterns of language and the things you can do with them. For this purpose, for learning grammar, you should follow High School English Grammar by Wren and Martin. Its key book is also available, and this is the best-selling grammar book. And suppose you read definitions, you read the concept, and first of all, you look at the solved examples. Then there are different exercises. Solve those exercises and then find the answers of those exercises from the key book. So when you buy a book as well as its key books. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much.